What up, Hell Biscuits? It's your girl Skitten, back at it again. I want you guys to know how much I care about you because I was this close to shooting vids in my hair bonnet and my robe. I woke up this morning and I had a pretty decent, I would like to say it's a decent amount of motivation to start shooting vids. And then I realized that meant I was going to have to actually get out of bed and put on real clothes, big girl clothes, and maybe do something with my face. Maybe. I don't always have to wear makeup, and I'm well aware of that. And I was like, or I could just not. Or I could just sit here looking like y'all's aunties and mamas in my bonnet and my robe and just sit here chilling. And I was like, no, I gotta put in a little more effort than that. It's not fitting with my brand, but no, actually I was just like, and once I finally got up and got dressed, all my motivation returned, but it was this close. Y'all were this close to looking at me out here looking crazy. One day I might do it. Maybe one day you'll see me in my full regalia that I wear when I'm just chilling around the house. Anyways, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are staying safe and sanitized. Today, we are here to watch an Unusual Memes compilation. This is Unusual Memes compilation version 193, and I'm hoping we see some good shit, okay? Lately, the Unusual Memes have been killing the game, and there have been funny videos and heartwarming videos and so many cute animal videos, and I'm really hoping that we stick with that trend. Really hoping that we stick with that trend. I'm excited to see what this video has in store for us. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Rachel, kill it. Rachel, kill it. Satisfied. Ah!
Get bad to this game, son.
Oh, how cute. Oh no. Oh. Oh!
Brandon is about to get the first overhand strike in the world.
You're an idiot. What? Oh! 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 That can't be good for your head or your ears. There's no way that any kind of physician would approve of that activity. Dear God. Oh. Oh no. Sir.
Oh, look how pretty she is. She's so pretty.
I love you.
Wow. Wow, the betrayal.
Do you believe that? Just use the garlic to draw patterns in whatever shape you want in the pan, and the egg will turn into this pattern. Simply mix white sugar with potassium permanganate powder. Rub with a stick.
What? Froggy! Oh! Oh my God, that seems unsafe.
That scared me.
I think.
Oh!
I don't want to.
He needed help. Dear. That man is very excited about watermelon, and I understand because it's a delicious fruit, which apparently there are some heathens out in the world who don't like watermelon, including Dr. D. Actually, Dr. D doesn't care for most melons, but it's almost especially watermelon. And I feel like she just wasn't raised right, but it's not my place to say. And actually, I shouldn't say that because her mother is a lovely woman and I think she's fantastic. But anyway, yeah, for those of you guys out there who don't like watermelon, why? Why do you hate happiness? Oh. The most vicious sheet I've ever seen.
Oh my goodness. What's wrong with them? They burn?
They're fine.
Oh! Sir, you're a little far behind.
So he's gone.
He's out. Oh, did he just climb up that building? Okay. It's a kitty. Okay. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. What's up? What up, homie? Oh no! Oh. Yeah. I feel like that's a fairly reasonable response. You know? Like he was just disrespected and assaulted by that plant. What else could he do? What else could he do? Oh, he broke it with his ass. Oh, I think the answer is no. What was the end goal here, sir? What was the end goal? So now you done broken into this place. Now you broken into, you know, whatever. I don't need backstory because it's just gonna make me mad. Oh, okay. YouTube is probably gonna age restrict that. YouTube is probably gonna age restrict that. In another video, I will talk to you guys about how freaking stupid YouTube is being about age restricting content because they're really starting to get on my nerves. Oh no. Poor duck. Oh no. Look, they like watermelon. No, you missed. You suck. Oh no!
2, 3.
Oh! Oh no, poor baby. What do you want me to do with this? Oof. Oof. No! 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 That hurt my heart. That hurt my heart so bad. Oh. Oh my God, I'm so sad. What do? You just have to start over. I don't think you can fix that. It's just dead now. It's just dead. Like my rights as a woman. Hi, kitty. Definitely not leaving this music in. Is that a wombat? What a cutie. Look at him chilling. Don't do this, please. You don't have to do this. Look, now look what you did.
Open arms, but there's some mixed reaction from students just ahead. We're not live.
That's disgusting.
Chups.
No, I can't watch it. You're gonna drop this cake.
Holy shit, that's a lot of money. That guy was holding a bank vault worth of money.
Blow it up.
Go get it. $20.
bars on the skate.
What? Hi. What's up? Yeah, I'm still here. Yeah. Still here. It's a really fat watermelon.
Taco for dog. Are you
Sir.
Get him!
I don't like it!
Ah! Ah!
No!
Hi. Hi. Oh shit. What a cutie pie. They just don't miss. Unusual memes just don't miss. Every time I watch, I am interested, intrigued, and enthralled. Every time. Every goddamn time. They just don't miss. They're so good. They're so good. There's cute animals, there's weird videos, there's funny videos. It's just a good time. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave your reaction requests and recommendations down in the comments below. And other than that, peace out, hope biscuits. It's Skittenlit.